At the beginning of time, space itself suddenly stretched out of nowhere, and our new universe should have been empty, but somehow everything was tuned just right, so we got gazillions of galaxies filled with hot stars that occasionally exploded into clouds of more exciting elements, which gravity pulled together into some really cool planets, like this big rock over here by the sun that just got smashed into a mess that gave us our moon. Nothing could live on this early Earth, but soon volcanoes covered the planet with a layer of gas that kept it from freezing solid every night and cooking to a crisp every day. And sooner or later, there was lots of water. Water, methane, ammonia, hydrogen. Wow! I just made amino acids, the building blocks of life.
But is it alive?
Given enough time, anything's possible. How life started is still a mystery for scientists, because even a simple single cell is as complex as a city, with highways and vehicles, assembly lines and factories, and somehow it even had a blueprint of itself that the cell could use to replicate itself. Early life on Earth was actually quite boring, until suddenly...
What's happening?
It's the Cambrian explosion. All kinds of strange creatures all appeared in just a few million years. There were hundreds of thousands of kinds, including this really weird one with 5 eyes. But next there were disasters which killed lots of the creatures. But after every extinction, there was another burst of bountiful life, and it happened again and again and again and again. All of those bursts of life gave us fish and plants on land, and scorpions and insects and crabs and ferns, and sharks and amphibians, and reptiles and beetles and frogs. And then a supervolcano in Siberia erupted for 1 million years and everything died.
The animals didn't all die. Everything's fine.
Oh, okay. Most of the animals died, but not all of them. Meanwhile, all of the continents got together, but after a while they started drifting apart, so they decided to break up. And finally it's time for all kinds of dinosaurs. And let's add some blood-sucking insects just to make things interesting. But then a huge asteroid crashed into Mexico and killed the dinosaurs. And now mammals are popping up everywhere, like primates, whales, and bats. And look at that, we've got humans. Their brains are only a little bit bigger than these ape brains, but they can think about the future, have meaningful conversations, invent stuff. Subscribe to this channel and watch this awesome video.